Right guys, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can fix Forza Horizon 6 crashing. So it's actually very easy on how you can fix this crashing issue. So first of what you need to do is just go to Steam, and right over here I haven't downloaded the game through Steam, so if you have the game through Steam, what you have to do is just basically click on the game and just go to game, and right over here you need to go to the game property settings. So let's say this is Forza Horizon 6 for you in Steam, so you just need to press on manage and then go to properties and then go to installed files, and just make sure you press on verify integrity of game files. Just simply do that. Once this done, you have to go back and go to settings, and right over here you gotta type in graphics settings on your search bar and just go right over here and make sure hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is turned off. Right after that, just go ahead and browse Forza Horizon 6. So right over here, just gonna go ahead and find Forza Horizon 6, and here we go. I'm just gonna select it, and right over here we're just gonna go for options and make sure that it's selected to high performance and then saved. Now once it's on high performance, you're good. Now after that, just make sure that you have updated your graphics driver and it's up to date. Just go to your drivers and just right over here make sure that you got latest NVIDIA or AMD drivers, whatever it is, and it's make sure it's on latest. So yeah, this is it. I hope this really helped you out. I'll see you soon next one. Until then, goodbye and peace out.